Hi everyone, Mr. Brewer again. Today we're going to talk about naming transition metals in binary compounds. And we're going to talk a little bit about crisscross a little bit, but for the most part we're going to talk about Roman numerals. You used naming it yesterday in the earlier lesson that you did on naming using Roman numerals. Today we're going to talk about how we actually crisscross to get our actual naming scheme for the Roman numerals. So if you take a look, FeCl3 here, we know iron can be 2, 3, or 4. We know that. But what one do we have here? Is it iron 2? Is it iron 3? Is it iron 4? Is that my cation? Right now, we take a look at my anion. Anion is Cl3. We know chlorine is in the 7A category. That means it's -1 on our periodic table. So it's got 3 of them. So in order to have 3 negatives, I've got to have 3 positives. The only iron that we have that can do it would be iron 3. One way that we can do it, we can take the 3 and we can turn that into our Roman numerals. So if I come over here and I click on this right here, we can take this 3, whoops, hold on. There we go. I can take my 3 and I can put that right over here, iron, and make that my Roman numerals. So I can write it iron 3 chloride. And chloride is just like when we did before, that anion is always eyed in a binary compound. So let's go down here and take a look at this one right here, PbCl4. Well, we know lead can be +2 or +4. Is it +2 or +4? So I know my cation is always going to be my positive. Cations are positive. Cats have pause. So Pb is my positive right here. It's going to be my cation. Now, is it 2 or is it 4? Anion is Cl right here, and that's my negative. And I know I've got 4 of them. So this is going to have a -4 charge. So what lead do I have? I have lead 4 chloride. And that's how we do it. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everybody.